This is Peer Certificate, take 1.
I grew up in a middle-class family in Middle America. Then I moved to San Francisco in 2007 to be with my partner. He died 6 years later, and my life kind of fell apart. And RAMS helped me put the pieces back together.
I grew up in a Filipino-American household, and my father, he had schizophrenia. Growing up, there was a lot of challenges. The mental health stigma was so prevalent that my family didn't know where to go for resources, and we didn't really talk about it. I feel like I would have been stuck in a really dark place, and RAMS really helped me get out of a rough time in my life.
I studied to actually be a therapist, and I initially started working at RAMS as a mental health provider. And since I studied community mental health, I was really interested in this more holistic vision for mental health.
The Peer Certificate program actually was an opportunity that came to RAMS in 2009 through our Mental Health Services Act funds through the state of California and Department of Public Health.
The program has 3 components: the entry-level course, the advanced level course, and Leadership Academy. Entry level is where we really dig into the fundamentals of what it means to be a peer specialist. The advanced course is sort of ongoing education for people who maybe are already working in the field. Leadership Academy is our monthly trainings where we talk about a variety of topics related to peer work.
The Peer Certificate program is a really well-rounded course. To have this in San Francisco makes the city really different than other places.
San Francisco is a wonderful city, but it's got more than its share of problems. The only way to fix the city is through peers. We've been through it. We've come out of it. We've seen what didn't work. RAMS just has this wonderful ability to bring people into the equation.
Our entry and advanced level courses are both done in partnership with San Francisco State University. So they are 3-unit courses. In the advanced course, you actually get continuing education credits if you are already a peer support specialist who is certified in the state of California. Entry course allows you to become state certified. So once you graduate from that course, you're able to apply to take the state level exam. And once you complete the exam, it really can open the doors for peers to be able to take on other job opportunities and just be seen as a legitimate part of the behavioral health system workforce.
I think the most important part and the most impactful part for me were the activities and learning not just about how to communicate with clients, but also myself.
You really learn so much about yourself that you can apply to the workforce, you can apply to your own personal life. It really puts into a different perspective on, how you can make a difference in the world and the work you want to do in your life. The people you meet in there, they're very passionate, and seeing folks learn and kind of grow together, it's a really nice community.
The Peer Certificate program is a foundation and pipeline for training for peers, and it's really important that our peer counselors are well trained in all aspects of their roles, and the certificate provides that opportunity, short-term training and long-term training, for folks to step into the field, explore the field, to increase their professional development in the field.
The different types of roles that I've seen peers go into are anything from one-on-one client work, based in clinics, to doing outreach out on the streets, providing resources and care and connection to folks who are unhoused and living on the streets. And there's even unique programs that work with specific populations. Like, for example, we have students who go on to work with older adults, visiting them in their homes, those who are severely isolated and need that connection to be able to really support their wellness.
With different clients, I really get to put my skills that I learned in the Peer Certificate course to the test, working through setting boundaries, working through conflict situations and how to de-escalate.
When I'm out there working, I'm a lot more comfortable in what I'm doing, and I feel comfortable sharing that with my peers.
After completing the certificate, I felt like I was ready for more. It had given me a sense of purpose, and strength and put me in a place to learn how to use those for other peers. We have skills you do not get in classes. There's no way to teach lived experience except to live through it.
The Peer Certificate program gave me a better understanding of not just my role, but the role of everyone else around me.
Wherever you are in terms of your mental health, I feel peers actually bridge many situations.
Being a part of RAMS and being a part of the team, I have the chance to really decrease the stigma surrounded with mental health and really make a difference in people's lives.
It's so helpful to figure out what path you can take to put your life back together. We can make a difference. We can be the pioneer to show what can be done.